So we are doing the last exercise 3.3. I'll discuss the problems with you. See, first one. The length of a rod is 16 8 by 11 meters. Length of a rod is equal to 16 8 by 11 meters. Now they are telling how many pieces of length 4 by 11 meters can be cut from this rod. So how many pieces? So number of pieces of measurement 4 by 11 meters can be cut is equal to. Now what you will do here? See, this is only they have represented the numbers as fractions. Don't get confused. You imagine with some simple numbers, okay? Now I am telling you length of a rod is 6 centimeters, 6 meters. Now you want to cut it into pieces of 2 centimeters each. 6 मीटर का रॉड है, 2 सेंटीमीटर का कट करना है. तो what you will do? 6 divided कट करने का है, that means divided. 6 divided by 2, that is 3 pieces होगा. 2 meter, 2 meter, 2 meter. It is simple division. So how many number of pieces of 4 by 11 meters can be cut is 16 8 by 11 divided by 4 by 11. That is equal to 16 8 by 11 is how much? 16 tens are 160 plus 16 176, 10 186, 184. Improper fraction को I am making as mixed fraction को I am making as improper fraction. 184 by 11 divided by 4 by 11. इसको रेसिप्रोकल करना है और इसको मल्टीप्लिकेशन करना है. 184 by 11 division sign will become multiplication sign and this will become the reciprocal. उल्टा numerator denominator होगा, denominator numerator होगा. 4 11 ones are 11, 4 fours are 16, 2 बचा 24, 4 6 are 24. That is equal to 46 is the answer. Now what 46? Don't write 46 meters. They have asked you the number of pieces of 4 by 11. यानी कि 4 by 11 मीटर का 46 pieces जमाएगा, total will become 16 8 by 11 meters. Getting now? Now without wasting time, we will go for the next problem. What is the next problem? We will do a few problems. In this, what we will do is we will take the fifth one. One bottle of jam holds 38 by 43 kg of jam. Okay, I am not writing the steps. Okay, how many kilograms of jam are there in 25 such bottles? तो वो लोग बोलते हैं एक बॉटल में इतना है, तो 25 bottles में कितना? Naturally multiplication. See, one bottle में if there is say 10 kilogram, one can में 10 kilogram है, तो 3 can में कितना? 30. 4 can में कितना? 40. What you are doing? Just multiplying the number of cans. So here you multiply by 25. 38 by 43 multiply by 25. That is how much? 38 multiply by 25. 8 5 is 40, 4 carry, 15 4 19, 16, 1 carry, 3 2 is 6 1, 7, 0, 15 1, 9. 950 by 43. So how much it will be? Am I right? What I am doing is right, no? Yes, there cannot be anything else. Make it a mixed fraction at the most. At the most, what you can do is make this a mixed fraction. So 43 2s are 86. 4 9 90. Again 46 2s are 86. 4 is the remainder. So your answer will be, see, 950/43 को इम्प्रॉपर बनाना है तो 43 तो लिखेगा ही लिखेगा डिनोमिनेटर में, ये वाला। न्यूमरेटर में सबसे नीचे जो आता है रिमाइंडर, नीचे वाला ऊपर जाएगा, एंड आंसर 22 विल कम हियर। ठीक है, सो 43 into 22 plus 4 is 950/43. So this is your answer. So in 25 dabba, if you total it, you will get 22 4/43 kg. Here it will be kg. Okay. How many kilograms of jam? That is the question they have asked. So it is 22 4/43. Now what you can do is, suppose we do one more sum. क्या करेंगे? थर्ड वाला करते हैं। सेकंड करते हैं, सेकंड थर्ड दोनों, कौन सा भी, either 2 or 3. We will do one sum here. Say we will do second one. Okay. What does the second sum say? Easy AAB. In a recipe, 3/10 gram sugar, 3/10 gram of sugar is used to make one serving. यानी कि ठीक है, if you want, I'll write the steps for this problem. One serving in a recipe is equal to 3/10 gram. Or you can write quantity of sugar in one serving. Like that also you can write. Quantity of sugar in one serving in a recipe is equal to 3/10 gram. How much sugar is used in 1/6 serving? Therefore, quantity of sugar in 1/6 servings is equal to, कितना आएगा? See, make it simple numbers. One serving में से 3 grams है, ठीक है? तो 6 servings में कितना आएगा? One serving में 3 grams है, तो 6 serving में कितना आएगा? 3 into 6, 18. Naturally multiplication. जितना servings है उतना servings से multiply करेंगे. That many grams you will get. So that is equal to 3/10 gram multiplied by 1/6. That is equal to 3/60. That is equal to 3 1 the 3, 3 20 the 60. 1/20. What? 1/20 क्या आएगा? हाथी घोड़ा? They have used grams of sugar. So how many grams of sugar? 1/20 grams of sugar in 1/6 servings. So 1/20 gram is the answer. Okay. Now we will do one more sum in this. Okay. Which one we will do? Third one. Shall we do third one? Okay. Looks a little complicated. There is 32 3/9 liters of water in a container. So water in a container is equal to 32 3/9 liters. See, steps you can write anyway. You just follow your school, your teacher, what she is giving the steps. Okay, otherwise this also you can write it. Nothing wrong in it. 32 3/9 liters of water in a container. How many bottles of 3/5 liter capacity can be filled from the container? अभी एक कंटेनर में बहुत सारा पानी है, उसमें से एक एक कैन करके निकालते हैं, और वो कैन का साइज है 3/5 लीटर. सो साइज ऑफ द कैन is equal to 3/5 liter. Small है, small can. So suppose we will convert it into simple numbers. Okay, एक बड़ा कैन में 10 liters of water है. You are having 2 liter का छोटा कैन, तो कितना बार निकाल सकते हो छोटा कैन से 2 liter का? 1 2 3 like that 5 times you can. तो 10 liter का कैन से 2 liter से निकालते जाएगा तो your answer is 5 times. Correct? What did you do? 10 divided by 2. Same operations here. Okay. So number of bottles of bottles can be filled is equal to 32 3 by 9 divided by 3 by 5. Correct? That is equal to, improper को proper करते हैं, 32 multiplied by 9, 9 to the 80, 9 27 1 28, 291 by 9 divided को मैं multiply sign करते हैं, so 5 by 3 करते हैं. In examination generally you will get sums where this will get cut and you will get a small number as answer. That is what I have seen in my experience. Okay, but here they have complicated a little. Just don't bother, we can solve this also. Now see, don't go to equalize the denominator. इधर प्लस या माइनस रहेगा तो ही इक्वलाइज करना है. मल्टीप्लाई है तो व्हाट आई टोल्ड, डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई. ठीक है? और यू कैन कट ऑल्सो समवेयर. सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3 goes in both. 3 इधर है, 291 में 3 जाएगा. Why? How I came to know 291 में 3 जाएगा? Sum of the digit देखो, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12. Sum of the digits in 299 is 12. 12 में 3 जाता है, so 291 में भी 3 जाएगा. So 3 ones are 3, 3 9s are 27, 2 बाकी 21, 3 sevens are. So this becomes 97 multiplied by 5 upon 9. Okay. इसमें तो कुछ नहीं कट होगा. So your answer will be like this only. 97 multiplied by 5. 5 sevens are 35. 3 45, 3 48. 485. 485 upon 9. Make this as an improper fraction. That will be your answer. अभी इसमें क्या improper fraction होगा? Tell me. That is equal to upon 9 तो आएगा ही आएगा. Now I'll divide 485 by 9. 9 5s are 45, 3 बाकी 35, फिर कितना है? 9 4s are 36, 9 3s are 27, 27 of 35 में balance is 8, remainder is 8. Remainder नीचे है, उसको ऊपर लिखते हैं. Answer is 53. I will answer को side में लिखते हैं as a whole. So this is your answer. 53 8 by 9 is the answer. That is 53 8 by 9 bottles of what is that? Water can be taken out of 32 3 by 9 liters of water. Now so that's all for the day today. Okay, next time let me see whether there are exercises beyond this. If not, then we will go with the tests for integration as well as factors. Okay, bye.